Hello, my dear. Good evening. How are you? I hope you will be nice. Today we are studying about the physics most important question IJMCQ. So welcome for you at my channel, the Pratiksha Education Point. My first question is which of the following is the SI unit of the force? Option A, Dyne. Option B, Newton. Option C, Joule. Option D, Watt. The correct answer will be Newton. Dyne is also the unit of the force, but that is not the unit of the SI. So A is not. So A is not. Joule is the unit of the work. Watt is the unit of power. So correct answer will be B. Now we see question number 2. Newton's first law of motion is also known as the law of option A, momentum, force, inertia, acceleration. We say the first law of motion is also known as the law of inertia. Now we say question number third. The tendency of a body to resistance change in its state of motion is called option A force, option B momentum, option C inertia, option D acceleration. Again repeat question. The tendency of a body to resist change in its state of motion is called inertia. So option C is correct. Now question number 4. Which quantity is measured by the product of mass and velocity? Option A force, option B momentum, option C acceleration, option D inertia. The correct answer will be momentum. Momentum is denoted by P vector is equal to m dot vector V. That is the momentum. Now question number 5. The SI unit of the momentum is A. Kilogram meter प्रति second, kilogram meter प्रति second square, Newton प्रति second, Newton meter. The correct answer will be A. Kilogram meter प्रति second. Now question number 6. According to Newton's second law of motion, force is equal to option A mass into velocity, option B mass into acceleration, option C acceleration divided by mass, option D momentum multiplied by time. The correct answer will be B mass into acceleration. So force F is equal to m into A. Force is the vector quantity. F is equal to mass into acceleration. So option B is correct. Now question number 7. A body of mass 2 kg moving with velocity 5 meter per second has the momentum P is equal to m into V is equal to 2 into 5 is equal to 10 kilogram meter प्रति second. So correct answer will be C. The momentum will be 10 kg meter per second. So option C is correct. Now, question number 8. Which law states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction? First law, second law, third law, law of gravitational. The correct answer will be third law of Newton. Question number 9. Action and reaction force act on. Option A, same body. Option B, different bodies. Option C, same direction. Option D, same point. The correct answer will be action and reaction works on the different bodies. So option B is correct. Now question number 10. The force required to stop a moving body depends on. Option A, velocity only, mass only, momentum, acceleration only. The correct answer will be momentum. P is equal to m dot v. It means momentum depends on the mass of body and velocity of the body. So correct answer will be C. Now question number 11. A batsman pulls his hand backward while catch a ball to increase force, decrease force, increase momentum, increase velocity. Option B is correct. Decrease the force. Now question number 12. The change in momentum of a body depends upon force applied, time interval, both force and time, mass only. The correct answer will be depends on both force and time. Now question number 13. The rate of change of momentum is equal to option A, acceleration, option B, force, option C, velocity, option D, inertia. The correct answer will be force. Now we can see how to it is equal to force. P is equal to m into v upon t. P is equal to m into a. P is equal to f. So we can say momentum, the rate of change of momentum is equal to force. Now we see question number 14. If no external force act on a body, its momentum will be option A, increase, option B, decrease, becomes zero, remains constant. The correct answer will be remains constant. Question number 15. Which of the following has the greatest inertia? Bicycle, car, truck, scooter. The correct answer will be truck. Question number 16. The unit of the acceleration is मीटर प्रति सेकेंड, मीटर प्रति सेकेंड स्क्वायर, किग्रा मीटर प्रति सेकेंड, न्यूटन. The correct answer will be the unit of the acceleration is meter प्रति second square. Question number 17. Why passenger lean backward when a bus starts suddenly? Option A, due to gravity, due to momentum, due to inertia of rest, due to friction. The correct answer will be C, due to inertia of rest. Now question number 18. Why does a gun recoil when a bullet is fired? Option A, Newton's first law. Option B, Newton's second law. Option C, Newton's third law. Option D, law of inertia. The correct answer will be Newton's third law. Now question number 90. The momentum of the stationary object is 0, infinite, maximum, minimum but non-zero. The correct answer will be 0. 20 question, last question. Force is a vector quantity because it has option A, only magnitude, only direction, both magnitude and direction. Option D, only mass. The correct answer will be both magnitude and direction. So thank you so much nice. Please like, share and subscribe. जय हिंद जय भारत.